FXB just dug out one of my old switcher boxes, so I think a lot of people have got this type of switcher box, really old. This is 20 years old. So I just took the back cover off, and then I thought, oh, I may as well show my channel what's inside. So it's so old, look, it's starting to deteriorate, but this does come out, and it was just 3 screws here. Like so, and they came out quite easily actually. Good quality screws. And then we had this plate here that sort of sat like so, not really sure why, but anyway, it did. So take this off, you can reveal the inside. There's a bit of grease there, and when it's turned to one side, it makes contact with, get a torch in there, with the brass plate there that is here. Move that a bit closer. There you go. See the brass plate. They share an earth by the looks of it. Well, the body, the casing is an earth, isn't it? So you've got center connectors here and here, and then it's obviously connected to the body for earth. And then when you flick it the other way, it makes contact on the other side. And so these contacts are quite crucial here as well. This one, that there's plenty of tension there to hold it against this. We'll test that when we use it. Let's click it the other way. Yeah, see, that felt like it's got better tension than the other side. It does look like it's bent this way a bit. It is making contact. So yeah, I thought you'd like to see that, and then we put the case back on. Like so. Should use a Phillips screwdriver, but we've just got this one here. There you go. I haven't done it all the way up, so I'll just show you. This one sort of went like that, so not really sure if anyone can tell me, what does that do? Is it an earth thing? I don't know. A ground. When I say earth, I mean ground. Every time I've said earth, I meant ground. Right, so anyway, fiddling around now, but you get the idea. I'll make sure I don't cross-thread that. And that's it. Very old and grubby, but still very useful. 7.3, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. All the best.